Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 13, A Good Citizen. Citizen means a person who lives in a particular state, enjoys the rights and performs the duties granted to him by the state. A good citizen is kind, loving, loyal towards his country and countrymen. He has self-control, common sense, knowledge, and is devoted towards his duty. He obeys the laws and looks after the welfare of his country. He always ready to help the poor and needy people of the society. A good citizen always perform his duties and responsibilities towards the society. In a country, every citizen has some rights to exercise and some duties to perform. For example, a person working in a company has the right to receive the payment for his work. In return, it is the person's duty to do his work in the best possible way. We all have the right to own a car and drive it on the roads. It is our duty to pay the road taxes for driving the vehicles on the road so that the roads can be kept under good condition. It is also our duty to follow the safety rules on the roads. The school authorities have the right to collect fees from the students. It is their duty to impart good education to the students. Government has the right to collect the taxes from the public. It is the duty of the government to provide basic amenities and infrastructure to the public. The government has built many buildings, monuments, and other public places for the benefit of its citizens. It is our duty to protect and safeguard these public properties. It is also our duty to keep our roads and public places clean. We should throw all garbage in covered dustbin and not on the roads. Now, time for the story. The story of Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was born in 1820. She was a woman who devoted her whole life looking after the sick and wounded people. When Florence Nightingale grew up, she decided to become a nurse. In 1851, she went to Germany and learned all about nursing. Florence proved to be an excellent nurse. Soon, she was appointed as the superintendent of a nursing home. In 1853, Crimean War broke out in Europe between Turkey and Russia. Florence was given the charge of a hospital where wounded soldiers were being sent. At night, when the wounded soldiers cried in pain, Florence went from bed to bed, carrying a small lamp. The soldiers were greatly moved by Florence's kind gestures and began to call her the lady with the lamp. She was a ray of hope for all the soldiers. The war ended in 1856. Florence Nightingale became famous everywhere because of her amazing work in the Crimean War. Queen Victoria sent her a letter of appreciation. Florence Nightingale also received many awards for her noble deeds. She had devoted all her life looking after the sick and wounded people. She died in 1910. So students, a good citizen stands for the rights and welfare of all. They can even sacrifice themselves for the family, town, province, country, world and humanity. So this was the chapter 13, A Good Citizen. Thank you and have a nice day.